Hello viewers, in today's lecture we are going to solve this important problem from application of integrals. Here we have to sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3, and we have to evaluate the integral from minus 6 to 0 of mod x plus 3, right? Now if we plot this curve y equal to absolute value of x plus 3, and we assign some values of x, and then we get the corresponding values of y. So when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, we have 1 plus 3 4, and so on. So we have the points 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6. We have minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 1, and minus 3 comma 0. Now if we plot these points on a graph paper, we get here we have 0 and we have 3. So the first point is here. Then we have 1 comma 4, we have the point here. Then we have 2 comma 5, the point is somewhere here. And then we have 3 comma 6, the point is somewhere here. And now we have minus 1 comma 2, so here we have minus 1 and here we have 2. So the point lies somewhere here. Then we have minus 2 comma 1, so the point lies here. And then we have minus 3 comma 0, right? So here we have a line like this, and the other line which we get is like this, because if we further plot the points minus 4, if we take minus 4 here for x, we have minus mod of minus 1, which is equal to 1. Then we have minus 5, so we have 2. So minus 4 comma 1, minus 4 comma 1 lies here. And then we have minus 5 comma 2 which lies here. And if we go on substituting the values, so we'll get a line like this. So this is the graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3. Clear? Now viewers, our aim is to evaluate this integral. Clear? And what we will do, let us suppose that I is equal to minus 6 to 0 of mod x plus 3 dx. Clear? Now here now I am giving you the definition of mod function. So y equal to mod of x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 if x is greater than or equal to minus 3, right? And this is equal to minus of x plus 3 if x is less than minus 3. Clear? So now here we have to integrate it from minus 6 from here to here. So what we will do, so we will break this integral from minus 6 to minus 3. So first we will break it from minus 6 to minus 3, and here we have mod x plus 3 dx. Then we have from minus 3 to 0, right? And then we have here mod of x plus 3 dx. Now from minus 6 to minus 3, right, we will make use of this definition, because x is whenever x plus 3 is less than 0, then y is equal to minus of x plus 3. So when x is less than minus 3, we have y is equal to minus of x plus 3. So here this integral becomes minus 6 to minus 3, and here we have minus of x plus 3 dx, plus then we have minus 3 to 0. So we will now make use of this expression. So mod x plus 3 is replaced by simply x plus 3, right? Now these are two simple definite integrals which can be simply evaluated. We have minus of x square by 2 plus 3x from minus 6 to minus 3. The integral of x plus 3 is x square by 2 plus 3x, and then we have x square by 2 plus 3x, and we have from minus 3, the limits are from minus 3 to 0, right? Now if we substitute these limits in the expression here and here, we get these two expressions. That is, when we substitute minus 3 here, so we have 9 by 2 minus 9, minus, if we substitute minus 6 here, we have 36 by 2 minus 18, and then plus here we have 0, so 0, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, so we have 0 plus 0, and minus, if we substitute minus 3 here, we have 9 by 2 minus 9 by minus 9, right? Now we simplify this expression. So we have minus here, so we have minus 9 by 2, and this is plus 36 by 2, and okay, this is 0, this is this term becomes 0, and this term becomes 0, and then we have here 0 and minus, this is 2 9s are 18, 9 minus 18 is minus 9, so this becomes plus 9 by 2. Clear? Now this is minus and minus plus, so we have 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, so we have 18 by 2, so we have 9. Okay, so the value of this integral is 9. Now viewers, the question is complete, but here I would like to tell you some interesting things. See, here we have substituted all these values of x, and we get the corresponding values of y, and we have plotted the graph of this function y is equal to mod of x plus 3, and see, here we have, when we have x equal to minus 6, so we have minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, so mod of minus 3 is plus 3. So here for minus 6 we have here y equal to 3, right? So if we join these 2 points, so it means that we have to integrate from in this integral we have to integrate from minus 6 to 0. Now here we have 2 triangles, right? And when we have evaluated the integral, the definite integral minus 6 to 0, we get the value as 9. And let us find the area of these 2 triangles, right? So here's the area of this triangle is suppose A1, and this is half base. Base is C here minus 6, here minus 3. So we have the base is 3 units and height is also 3 units, right? So we have here half multiplied 3 multiplied 3, this is 9 by 2, right? And if we calculate the area of this triangle, we have half, and this is minus 3 to 0, so the base is again 3 units, and here the height is 3. So we have 9 by 2. So here we get 9 by 2 and 9 by 2. So this is A1, this is A2. So what does it mean? It means that we have broken this integral into two integrals, this integral and this integral. So this integral represents the area of this triangle, and this integral represents the area of this triangle. And when we add the areas of both the triangles, we get the total value of this integral from minus 6 to 0. So viewers, this is how we can appreciate the actual physical meaning of definite integrals, or in other words, we can say that the application of integrals in finding out the areas bounded by curves, right?